Drop that shit, DJ OJ.
You telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memory.
Hey y'all, I'm jumping right into this vlog because I've been the worst vlogger ever. If you're new to my channel, my name is Arianaugc and this is my maintenance vlog. So let's just jump right into it. So I just left Sugared and Bronze. I go there. I have a monthly membership for their sugaring services. And I come to their Chelsea location. It's a little bit far from my house, but I really just love like getting out the house and coming to the city. Like it's kind of like my excuse to come downtown and, you know, see something new. Plus I love how Chelsea looks. Like it looks so cute and quaint, like an English British town. So I love coming to this area. Their services are great. I highly recommend them. They have different locations across the nation. And yeah, now I'm about to check out a nail salon that I keep seeing every time I leave my sugaring because my nails looking crazy. Yeah, so just doing a little bit of maintenance today because we are having a spa day in 2 days. And, you know, I just want to feel cute, look good, you know. Also, y'all, this is mad random, but if you live in New York City, do not like anything because I swear to God it's gonna be changed. This restaurant, Da Andrea, used to be my favorite Mexican restaurant. And I used to come here every time I left my sugaring appointment, and then they just randomly changed it one day. Okay, y'all, so I just left the nail salon and the coffee shop. Both were new experiences for me. Nail salon was mad mid. I don't know if you could tell, but it's like my ridges are not done well. I don't know. I just got a gel manicure, but so not too much, but it wasn't that great. It's one of those places that looks way cuter on the outside than it does on the inside for real. But I just always have been wanting to go to that place because I pass by it like once a month. Tried it out, never again. Then the coffee shop, super cute. The almond croissant though was a little mid. It was very doughy, like it wasn't light and fluffy. So there's that. The coffee was just okay. It was a nice like place to work if you're working from there. I would go back again because I like the vibe. I would probably try something different because, you know, maybe I just got the wrong croissant. But yeah, now I'm headed back home. So that was my little afternoon to myself. And I will be back when I am filming for the realty of Sojo Spa Club in New Jersey, which I'll be going to in about 2 days. So yeah, that's it for this little portion of the New York vlog. Hey y'all from Jersey. We in Jersey right now. This is the second part of the vlog. He like still got my New York shit on. But we in Jersey. So this is the second part of the vlog. We are in a car rental from Kite.
Like the homies at Kite.
The homies at Kite blessed us with a car rental service. Okay, let me tell you real quick about this. You can get your car dropped off. Okay, first of all, if you're in LA, Jersey, Philly, Atlanta, New York, obviously, and I believe some places in the Midwest, maybe Chicago only, I believe, you can rent this car through this service. It's super easy and convenient, not like the traditional rental car service. So you get the car dropped off directly to you. You get it picked up directly from whatever address you want to get it picked up from. You can get it refueled automatically, like everything. The car came super clean, super nice.
We dirtied it already.
Yeah.
Super
nice Volkswagen.
Super convenient. Did you tell them how they parked it right in front of the building? They parked it
right in front of my building when it arrived, and it arrived a little bit earlier than scheduled time. I think I scheduled it for 11. It came at about 10:50. So
insert the B-roll.
Definitely. They got there early, very professional, quick, dropped it off, verified my ID, my driver's license, and kept it moving. And now we are in Jersey, which is, it feels far. This town looks very different than anything I've ever seen, and we're literally like 20 minutes away from my house. But it feels like a totally different world. And today we're going to Sojo Spa, which is right across the street from this little plaza we're in. We just got our Starbucks
game
because, you know, we needed to fuel up for the day. Our appointment is at 1. We're about to do a quick Target run and head over to the spa.
Target Spa Day.
Target
Spa Day.
I like that. And this plaza we're in, I wish I could do, like, I need to rent this car again just to come over to this plaza because they have everything in here. Michael's, TJ Maxx, Five Below, you know, the big three. But yeah, enough rambling. I'll ramble about the car later, but we're on a little bit of a time crunch, so let's get to it.
Cut to me in a robe. What the fuck? Look at that.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keeping it street. We keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn her up. Tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. Boss them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn her up. Tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. If my dogs get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga. We get it. We splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I take her ass shopping and tell her shit up. Standing on business, standing on bitches, ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing. Shit, we turn the jeweler up. Just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. I'm sending this shit like a turtle, little nigga so nasty, I never been flushed. Go. Bulletproof rappers, it came with a kid on it. The subject too light, it kick if you spit on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little shit on them. Dope in my hand, I had to go flip on it. Flip, it's gone. He want the scoop, she want the tea.
I get some drive back.
That's not
Put the selfie stick on.
you the selfie stick.
Oh my bad. I'd be like, dang, now we're at Miami Cabana.
Bang, told the color, I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as Flora about the paddock, then going as Jordan as dead. Elite water trying to drown a bitch. It's a habit tricking on a bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I'm clipping a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up like.
Okay, y'all, we just left the spa. More on that later, but right now we about to try this peck chicken. Shout out to JL
Chicken, we get at y'all later.
Shout out to JL Jupiter for putting us on. So we are at Dairy Queen because Peck told us no more chicken for the evening.
De-escalated quickly.
Super de-escalated. Ooh, I look crazy dry in that spa all day. We've been sweating in water. Also, I gotta talk about that experience. The reason why I didn't vlog a lot in the spa is because you can't have your phone out. So I'm gonna insert a lot of B-roll from their media or whatever they do because yeah, they are super strict. Like I had my phone out just looking at something in the locker room and they were like, put it up.
For real? They pressed you?
No, somebody pressed me for real. And I was looking up the directions to come to Peck. And they were like, put it up. I was like, oh, yes, ma'am. I do not want to get kicked out. But yeah. So we went to the liquor store. We found the craziest. Did y'all know they made hard? Did you know they made hard Arizonas, but in flavor? I'm going to show y'all, but we didn't know they made this. Apparently Jersey got some tea that we don't know about.
Literally.
The pun. The tea in T-Neck. But, yeah, so we're in T-Neck, New Jersey.
Got the sign in the back.
Oh, where's the sign? Oh.
We're there.
And at Dairy Queen, I have not had Dairy Queen in like 15 years, so I'm low-key excited, and I'm glad this is here. And it looked like an old school, yeah, like it's like an old school real Dairy Queen. Yeah, I'm gonna turn. It's an old school, like real Dairy Queen.
Yeah, real old school.
Yeah, so it's kind of exciting. And the parking spaces are like, it's just open, like it's like the
sitting outside just eating their ice cream. Just
oh really?
Bobbing.
Oh, I love that. So yeah,
Very
we
town,
just
town
yeah.
vibes.
Oh no, it's giving a town. Like look at the homes.
Oh.
Watch out real quick, babe. Yeah, it's giving town.
That house right there looks so tiny.
Yeah, it does.
That's like typical Jersey home.
Ooh. So hopefully the ice cream will help us settle down for a little bit because we really had our heart set on eating Korean fried chicken right now. But yeah, we just having a day in Jersey, going where they takes us, and it's only like 15 minutes from my house. Like we'll probably definitely be doing this again.